tradition, shout out to the Apple employees at my Apple store. Kenya, you know who you are. Thank you for taking the time out to scan all these iPhones. But of course, I am going to be unboxing the regular models too as well very shortly after the Pros. But nonetheless, I'm going to unbox the least favorite color, which is white titanium this time around. And as you can see, we have a white box this year. You have silver text that says iPhone, silver Apple logo. But even though it's white, it's still kind of silver. And look at that. So this white one, silver always been, oh, I like how light this phone is. That's one thing that you're going to notice it right away. The weight, thanks to that titanium finish, is going to be like 10 grams lighter compared to the stainless steel Pro models. So in this case, the iPhone 12, the 13 Pro, and this is an iPhone 13 Pro here, Pro Max I should say. Yeah, that titanium finish opposed to the stainless steel. And this is going to mitigate the fingerprints that goes on and reduce the weight most importantly. Okay, everything else in the box. What's new this year, you have Type-C. So you have your Type-C to Type-C cable. Although this is USB 2.0 cable, the iPhone 15 Pro can be able to support up to USB 3 cables. You have your Apple stickers. We have an eSIM. Not only we got Type-C, we have the cable braided. So this is gonna help for the longevity of the cable. All right, so let's unbox the next color. And one more time before I even move on to the next color. Comparing these side by side, pretty much exactly the same. All right, next up we have blue titanium. This is the new color, but I think the popular choice this year is gonna have to be that natural titanium. And we're gonna just take this out the box. And wow, okay. So this blue, as you can see right away, really clean color, I must say. But I am kind of getting tired of the blue. We have the blue Sierra blue. We had the Pacific blue with the 12. It's too many blues. And of course we have the same cables too that's in the box. But this blue color looks absolutely stunning, I must say. Looks stunning. Okay, let's open up the black titanium. Black iPhone text, black Apple logo. And I was really debating if I should get have the black titanium as my primary device. And just there's something about a black iPhone just looks clean every single time. I think this look even more cleaner than the blue, in my humble opinion. But needless to say, everything is exactly the same in the box, by the way. But needless to say, this is just such a clean color. You really can't go wrong with black at all. Super clean. And last but not least, we have the popular choice, that natural titanium. And technically speaking, I'm ready for this one because I have a titanium Apple Watch with the Apple Watch band. And yeah, this one here is the color that screams. So not only it looks professional, I think this is going to help for cases too. If you want to slap a case on your phone, having the camera module neutral is going to work well with most cases. You see what I did there? It's going to work well in most cases. But yeah, I think this is going to be the color that I'm going to go with. I was flip-flopping between these two colors, between the black titanium and the natural titanium. And I'm going to be quite frankly with you, the natural titanium is probably the one I'm going to go with. Coming from a deep purple already, it's already a dark color already. This was a gorgeous color. So now switching up into something that's lighter, it makes the most sense. So here's a side-by-side comparison. If you're upgrading from the 14 Pro or 14 Pro Max to a natural titanium color, you can see the side rails. See how much fingerprints this catch up. But needless to say, I like the way how this is feeling in the hands, and I like how light it is too as well. I'm going to be unboxing the Pro Max on my Instagram and my TikTok, so if you guys want to follow me there. Now, of course, as a channel tradition, Simply Pops Fashion, I'm going to be putting this on a turnable table.